Morning, YouTubers. What's up? What we have today, I've got two of them. The big old Kershaw shuffle. Bottle opener on one end. I sharpened one of these up. Wasn't this one? It took an edge real good. It's a handy little knife. I think the blade's like 2 3/8 or so, and the handle's like, well, a little over 3, probably 3, 3 1/4, 3 3/8, something like that. Here's one I sharpened. Yeah, pretty sharp. I just thought they'd look like a good, handy little knife. Well, folks, hope you enjoyed the Kershaws. Come back and see me when you can. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Stay warm, stay dry, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you.